How to remove or replace the slider bed panels. If one of your slider bed panels has been damaged, you will need to replace it. Our 6 metre, 4 metre and 3 metre Invaders have different configurations of slider bed panels, but the process is the same for each model. First, remove the external scrapers, belt and tail end assembly. Go to our YouTube channel to watch videos on how to do this. Remove the torque head fixings on both the curved end beds. If you have a 6 metre Invader and only one of the 2 slider bed panels need to be replaced, then you only need to remove the curved end bed next to the damaged slider bed panel. The 6 metre Invader also has 4 torque head fixings at the join of the slider bed panels that you will need to unscrew. Lift the conveyor on its side, and underneath the conveyor, remove the torque head fixings where the panel is attached to each of the cross members. You will notice the central cross members do not have fixings in them. This is because the control box needs to slide in and out. Lift off the panel and fit a new panel. Screw all the torque head fixings back into place, making sure to leave the central cross members empty. Then replace the curved end beds. Lastly, put back the tail end assembly, belt and external scrapers. Track and tension the belt. It is now ready to use.